If you are a Walmart customer, beware. Scammers are targeting Walmarts looking to drain your accounts.
And unfortunately, there's going to be a lot of victims involved in this incident. Multiple Walmart locations, multiple states, multiple counties. This could be astronomical.
These criminals are emboldened and they're hitting different Walmart locations around the nation.
She now realizes fraudulent charges last month were likely when she and her husband stopped at Walmart while on an RV trip through Pennsylvania.
I got an alert on my phone that said, did you go to Home Depot and spend $122 in change?
And I'm sad that the people of our city, the women, are going through this, being scammed and leaving up, wondering how their kids are eating. And they told me that it was being spent at a Ralph's in Orange, California.
And you have not been to
California.
And you've not been to California in the last couple of days, have you?
Ever.
Okay. Where did they tell you anywhere else where the money was being spent?
It was being spent at just other grocery stores.
And if you don't know the signs to look for, you could be their next target.
Ask Nicole Speakman. After shopping at Walmart, somebody withdrew $200 from her bank account at an ATM in New York City.
A little bit shocked, definitely disappointed. I can't believe that people are doing things like this to other human beings. It's disgusting to me.
So in this video, I'm going to show you what this scam is and the signs and ways that you can prevent your bank accounts being drained by shopping at Walmart.
Police say you're watching a crime in real time. 3 suspects at a Walmart in Oswego, New York, are allegedly attaching one of these.
Now, this device is a skimmer. A skimmer is a device that these scammers use to get your personal information from your credit cards and even your debit cards. These skimmers can be located anywhere, at the gas station, the convenience store, even at your grocery stores. They are finding new ways and upgrading these skimmers to be even more covert now that technology is expanding. And if you're not careful, you can lose your savings.
Credit card skimmer at a checkout. It takes them less than 30 seconds. The 3 allegedly skimming or tampering with point-of-sale terminals by illegally installing equipment like this to try to steal customers' data or PIN numbers. And not only at this location, but other Walmarts in the region too.
This seems to be a nationwide problem, and it looked like these scammers are working together in multiple states. There was even an issue in Austin, Texas, and these different scammers seem to have certain connections. It was very important that you protect your information. With my elite credit system, we also have Smart Credit as our score provider. Now, they actually offer some insurance, not only to protect yourself, but your family also in your household, where you can get $1 million worth of insurance for your identity, along with Money Manager that also monitor your account. And they give you alerts anytime suspicious activity is taking place. This is a great way that you can protect yourself, along with cleaning up your credit report. Like my user Sean went from a 612 credit score all the way up to a 770 credit score in a matter of 6 months, and now at an 803 credit score. So you can join. I'll leave that link in the description of the video. And if you go to my website, pick up this free hard inquiry removal package, download it, and I'll leave that link in the description of the video and in the pinned comment section.
Working in unison, authorities say they installed the skimmers, one on the lookout, in this case shielding the register with her scarf, while another places the device over the top of the card machine.
You think that all your information is safe, and unfortunately, there's going to be a lot of victims involved in this incident. Multiple Walmart locations, multiple states, multiple counties. This could be astronomical.
As you can see, this is a very detailed and organized network. This could be even reaching outside of the borders of the United States for those who are behind this organization of coming and actually draining accounts of different customers of Walmart. But like I said earlier, it's not just exclusive to Walmart alone. You definitely have to check for these skimmers all over where you shop.
Experts say this kind of crime is usually very organized.
It's a very full-scale operation. You have the people who make the devices, then they'll hire a group of people that go into the stores and install the devices. And then you have the people who actually cash out the proceeds which are the money mules.
Skimming costs consumers more than $1 billion a year, according to the FBI.
Technology makes things sometimes safer and better. They also make it easier for criminals, and they're always working on the next front. We stop them one way, and they find another way to do it.
Now, as Walmart is coming aware of the scam going on, they're stepping up to watch out for any suspicious activity, and they are prosecuting these criminals to the full extent of the law.
You might want to look twice before you swipe your card at the self-checkout line. The Austin Police Department says 2 card skimmers were discovered at the Walmart on West Anderson Lane back in March. That's according to court records found just this week. Police say 2 suspects were identified after reviewing store surveillance footage. There are now warrants out for their arrests. We did reach out to Walmart. They sent us a statement reading, quote, "Walmart works hard to keep our community's customers safe from scammers and other criminals seeking to harm our customers. Walmart's robust anti-fraud program has been effective at fighting fraud and continuously evolves to respond to the fraudsters' ever-changing tactics."
Now, there's ways to protect yourself, but one of the main ways is protecting your PIN.
So, what can you do to protect your information? The biggest piece of advice: protect that PIN.
Make sure that you're covering up your PIN as you enter it. Take a look at your statements. There'll be a minimal charge at first to make sure the card works before the stolen data is good, before they actually clone it and use it for a larger purchase.
Now, some other steps outside of protecting your PIN, you want to make sure that you have text alert to your cell phone for your banking activity. You can set a lot of times different standards of text alerts for different types of purchases. So you know if your card is used and you can quickly contact your bank. The other way, you need to make sure you lock your credit reports. By locking your credit reports, this can prevent any criminal from getting your personal information and also applying for more credit cards. So you want to always monitor your credit. And you want to make sure that you actually monitor your spending with your bank accounts, because many of us use debit cards, credit cards, or even cash apps and money apps. And so sometimes we send so much money out. These things are really convenient. We're not really monitoring our spending. Anything that comes through, you know, you make frequent purchases, and that can also lower your guard. And make sure you have multiple different bank accounts. Try not to keep all your eggs in one basket, just in case one of your accounts get compromised. You don't lose all your money to this type of scam. So hopefully this information was helpful. If you have more detailed questions for me, you can go to my website or drop your questions in the comments section. Now, when you go to my website, you can submit your questions and all your questions go directly to my cell phone. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned.